Today, I will tell you how to become a millionaire on Fiverr website. Yes, you heard me right. Fiverr, the platform where freelancers offer services starting at just $5, is more than just a gig economy hub. It's a launchpad for massive financial success. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-blown freelancing career, Fiverr provides endless opportunities to turn your skills into substantial income. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 ways you can make serious money on Fiverr and possibly achieve millionaire status one day. Let's explore these profitable gigs. 1. Video editing, turning clips into cash. Video content reigns supreme across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, creating a massive demand for editors. Luckily, tools like iMovie and DaVinci Resolve make starting a video editing career easier than ever. On Fiverr, beginners can offer basic services such as cutting clips, adding transitions, or overlaying music for $50 per project. As your skills improve, you can expand to advanced gigs like adding motion graphics or performing professional color grading. These services can earn you between $100 and $300 per project. But the real gold mine lies in building relationships with content creators. Many YouTubers need ongoing editing services, so once you establish trust, you'll secure repeat clients. This steady gig could easily translate into a full-time career as the demand for video content grows. 2. Social media management. Get paid to be social. Do you spend hours scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook? Why not turn that time into money? Social media management is a high-demand service on Fiverr. Small businesses, influencers, and entrepreneurs often lack the time or expertise to manage their accounts. And that's where you come in. Offer services like content scheduling, follower engagement, and creating eye-catching posts. Start small by managing one or two accounts for $50 or $100 per month. As your experience grows, take on more clients and charge premium rates. For example, you can add advanced services like running ad campaigns or influencer outreach. Social media trends evolve rapidly, so staying up to date ensures you'll remain indispensable to your clients. 3. Website building. Drag, drop, and dollars. Think website building is just for coding pros? Think again. Platforms like Wix, WordPress, and Squarespace make it easy for anyone to design stunning websites without coding experience. Businesses, bloggers, and even artists are constantly in need of professional websites, but often lack the skills or time to create them. You can step in and offer website design services on Fiverr, charging $100, $300 depending on the project's complexity. Want recurring income? Offer ongoing maintenance services like updating content, fixing issues, or optimizing performance for a monthly retainer. This ensures a consistent revenue stream while providing value to your clients. 4. SEO optimization. Become a Google guru. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a powerful tool for businesses aiming to improve their online visibility. The better a website ranks on Google, the more customers it attracts, which is why businesses are willing to pay top dollar for SEO services. Start by offering small gigs like keyword research or SEO audits for $50. With a few successful case studies under your belt, you can charge hundreds for full-scale SEO projects, including on-page optimization and backlink building. The demand for SEO expertise isn't going anywhere, so mastering these skills could set you up for long-term success. 5. Transcription services. Get paid to listen. If you're detail-oriented and have great listening skills, transcription could be your ideal Fiverr gig. All you need is a good pair of headphones and some patience. Tools like Otter.ai and Descript can transcribe audio files into text, leaving you to focus on refining the final product. Start by transcribing podcasts, interviews, or YouTube videos, charging $30, $50 for shorter projects. Over time, specialize in fields like legal or medical transcription, which offers significantly higher rates. With AI tools doing much of the heavy lifting, you can take on more projects and double your productivity without doubling your effort. 6. Digital marketing. Become a growth hacker. The digital marketing boom has created endless opportunities for skilled freelancers. If you know how to run Facebook ads, Google ads, or email marketing campaigns, you can earn a few $100s per project. Even if you're a beginner, there are countless free online resources to help you get started. Begin with smaller services like ad setup or audience targeting, then scale up as you gain experience. Over time, your Fiverr gigs could grow into a full-fledged digital marketing agency. 7. Virtual assistants, organize and thrive. With remote work on the rise, virtual assistants, VAs, are in high demand. If you're organized, great at time management, and enjoy helping others, this gig is perfect for you. As a VA, your tasks could range from managing emails to booking appointments or handling customer service. Start by offering specific services for $15 to $20 per hour. Once you've built a strong client base, create comprehensive packages and charge premium rates. This flexibility makes virtual assistants a lucrative option for freelancers. 8. Graphic design. Create and cash in. Graphic design remains one of the most popular categories on Fiverr. With tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, even beginners can create professional-looking designs. Offer services like logo design, social media graphics, or promotional materials. Start small, charging $20 to $50 per gig, and gradually expand your portfolio. Specializing in a niche, like branding for startups, can help you attract higher-paying clients. The demand for creative visuals is endless, making graphic design a sustainable and profitable gig. 9. Writing and copywriting, words that sell. Strong writing skills can open doors to a variety of gigs on Fiverr. From crafting blog posts and product descriptions to writing ad copy, businesses are always in need of compelling content. Charge $50 to $200 depending on the project's scope. Specializing in niches like technology, health, or finance can set you apart and justify higher rates. With consistent delivery and excellent communication, you'll build a loyal client base in no time. 10. Voiceovers. Let your voice be heard. Have a great voice? Voiceover work is one of Fiverr's hidden gems. From narrating audiobooks and voicing ads to creating character voices for animations, the opportunities are endless. Beginners can start with smaller gigs, charging $50 per project. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can command rates of $200 or more for larger projects. A good microphone and some basic audio editing skills are all you need to get started. Why choose Fiverr? Fiverr is more than just a freelancing platform. It's a gateway to financial freedom. The flexibility it offers allows you to start small, learn as you go, and scale your business at your own pace. With dedication and smart strategies, what starts as a side hustle can turn into a thriving career. From creative gigs like video editing and graphic design to technical services like SEO and website building, Fiverr offers countless ways to monetize your skills. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to begin. Many clients are happy to pay for entry-level services as long as you deliver quality work. So are you ready to take your first step toward financial success? Watch this video to learn more about these lucrative Fiverr gigs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Fiverr money-making idea. Together, we'll get you one step closer to your millionaire dream.